By now you've had a chance to write a paper using the Modern Language Association or MLA guidelines to cite your sources. Let's take a few moments to look at an example from the College Foundation of North Carolina CFNC website to see if we can spot plagiarism when we see it. Take a moment to compare these two passages. The text on the left came directly from the CFNC website. On the right, we see a student attempt to use that information appropriately. Does this student use this source correctly in her paper? Take a moment and pause this presentation and read and compare both passages. Then make a guess. No, this information is not used properly. This student has taken the information directly from the source without quotation marks and has not cited it properly. Does this student use the source correctly in her paper? Pause the presentation and take a look. No, this information is not used properly. This student has paraphrased the source well, but he does not include the proper citations. Does this student use the source correctly in her paper? No, this information is not used properly. This student has quoted the source correctly, but she does not include an indication of the source of the information. Does this student use the source correctly in her paper? No, this information is not used properly. The student has paraphrased the source well and has even put in quotations around the quote and has included an in-text citation, but something is still missing. Does this student use the source correctly in her paper? Yes, the information is used properly. The student has paraphrased the source well, has quoted the source correctly, and has included in-text and works cited citations.